Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I want to go ahead and share some things with you guys, and I hope you guys really enjoy this. So throughout this week, I'll be sharing multiple videos of just different products that a few companies decided to reach out. I really hope you guys enjoy this type of video or this type of content. I'm super excited to share with you guys what I have received. If you guys are excited and want to know as well, keep on watching. And of course, they have provided us with coupon codes so that you guys can save money and things like that. So make sure you guys check out the description box down below. If you are new here to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you are a returning viewer, don't forget to smash that like button. So without further ado, let's go ahead into the video. All right, guys, so a huge shout out to Double Dip Nails. Thank you so much for reaching out to me and sending me this amazing package. Absolutely loved it. The packaging is amazing, and I'm gonna go ahead and unbox that with you guys in just 1 second. But I did want to share a few things with you guys. What's interesting about these products is that their formula is organic. They are PETA approved for cruelty-free vegan products. They are also a small business and they are women owned, so I 100% support that. Also, guys, their products are super affordable. I absolutely love their prices. They have kits and so much more to offer. If you guys don't have time to stop at a salon or just get your nails done, I think this is amazing for you guys to try it out. You don't need a UV light, you don't need an e-foul or anything like that. If you guys go ahead for one of their kits, they're absolutely amazing. They come equipped with everything that you need. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. All right, so the first thing that we see is our letter, and then here we have our package. So look how beautiful this looks, guys. I didn't even want to touch it, honestly. So first we see our little bag, and it has their logo on it. So cute. Everything fit well in there. We also have our instructions. So if you guys never done dip nails, I recommend you guys check the instructions out. They're pretty detailed. Also, we have this small box, and inside of here we have a few things. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys. So we have a few cards. We also have this little package with a file, a buffer, a wooden stick, which is a pusher, and then we have extra applicators. So if you guys are willing to do someone else's nails, you guys have extra applicators. So I love that. Also, this is 4 steps to doing the application, and I love that they were in different colors. I feel like I usually get my base and my tops mixed up because they look the same, but you guys can actually identify these by their colors. Also, we have this cute headband that I absolutely love because honestly I needed one, so thank you Double Dip. And here are the colors that they picked for me. So we have Caribbean, I cannot pronounce that. And then we have, this one is Kiss for a Cause, absolutely stunning. And then we have Luscious Peach, and this is one of my favorites. That was actually the one that I applied on my nails. And then we have a Bath Bomb Blue. So all of these colors are absolutely beautiful. I'm going to swatch them in a second for you guys, and I'm also going to give you guys a little sneak peek of the manicure that I did on myself. So here we have a brush to dust off all the excess powder. And then we have these cute little goodies back here, which are some holographic, like laser type hearts, and they're like in different sizes. We have some swatch sticks and these beautiful nail art stickers. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and take the plastic off of this so that you guys can get a better look. These stickers are much more smaller than what they appear like here on camera. I actually created a nice manicure with these, so I'm going to go ahead and share that with you guys in a second. But look how beautiful these stickers are. So that's pretty much that. I'm going to go ahead and insert a clip that I shared on my TikTok of the manicure that I created on myself. And let me tell you guys, this was so easy to do. So if you guys are a nail tech, if you don't have time to stop at a salon, whatever the case might be, guys, this literally took me like 20 minutes probably to do. So super easy. I barely had the file. I'm telling you guys, everything that came in this kit is what I needed. So all I had to do was buff and top it, and I was done. And the top coat was really, really nice because I was able to like cap that sticker in my nails. So you guys will see that in a second. But I also wanted to share that this manicure lasted me about 2 weeks and a half. So if you guys have never tried it, I recommend you try it. This was my first time trying dip nails and I was mind blown. So my new addiction, dip powder, is where it's at. So go ahead and check out their kits. I believe they come just like what I'm sharing with you guys right now. And you guys can pick the colors that you want or you can customize them as you like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Here are the swatches. And don't forget to like if you are a returning viewer. If you are new here to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.